What if I told you there are places in the universe where time slows down, light disappears, and the very laws of reality begin to collapse? Places so powerful that once you cross their invisible boundary, there is absolutely no return. Not because something blocks your way, but because the universe itself refuses to let you escape. These places are not science fiction, not movie fantasy, and not ancient myth. They are real, proven, and silently shaping the cosmos. They are called black holes. Imagine falling, not downward but inward towards something with infinite gravity. At first, you would feel nothing unusual. Then seconds would stretch into minutes, minutes into eternity. Light would bend, space would twist, and from the outside, it would appear as if you were frozen forever at the edge of darkness. This raises one of the most terrifying questions humanity has ever asked. What exactly is a black hole, and why does the universe create something so extreme? A black hole is formed when a massive star reaches the end of its life. When a star far larger than our Sun runs out of nuclear fuel, it can no longer push outward against its own gravity. The star collapses inward with unimaginable force, crushing its core into a single point called a singularity. This point is so dense that our current laws of physics completely break down. Surrounding it is the event horizon, the point of no return. Once anything crosses this boundary, light, matter, or energy, it is lost forever. So where are black holes found? The shocking answer is almost everywhere. Astronomers now believe that nearly every galaxy in the universe has a supermassive black hole at its center. In our own Milky Way galaxy, that object is known as Sagittarius A*, and it has a mass more than 4 million times greater than our Sun. It does not move through space hunting stars. Instead, it sits silently, controlling the motion of billions of stars through gravity alone. Who first discovered black holes? The idea was predicted in 1915 by Albert Einstein through his theory of general relativity. Even Einstein himself believed black holes were only mathematical possibilities, not real objects. Decades later, scientists began observing stars moving in strange orbits as if pulled by an invisible force. In 2019, humanity finally captured the first real image of a black hole, turning a century-old theory into undeniable proof. When do black holes form? Most are created when massive stars, at least 20 times the mass of our Sun, collapse at the end of their lives. However, some black holes may have formed shortly after the Big Bang itself. These ancient black holes could be older than galaxies, shaping the universe from its earliest moments and influencing how galaxies were formed. How do black holes actually work? Despite popular belief, they do not suck everything like cosmic vacuum cleaners. From a distance, their gravity behaves just like any other object with mass. But if something comes too close, gravity becomes extreme. The object would be stretched into a long, thin shape in a process known as spaghettification. Time slows down, atoms are torn apart, and reality becomes unrecognizable. Can a black hole destroy Earth? Right now, there is no known black hole close enough to threaten our planet. Even Sagittarius A*, the black hole at the center of our galaxy, is far too distant. If a black hole with the mass of our Sun replaced the Sun itself, Earth would continue orbiting, but without heat or light, life would slowly freeze and disappear. Do black holes live forever? Surprisingly, they do not. Physicist Stephen Hawking discovered that black holes slowly lose energy through a process called Hawking radiation. Over unimaginably long periods, trillions upon trillions of years, even the largest black holes evaporate. Even the darkest objects in the universe are not eternal. Black holes remind us how small we truly are. Somewhere in the universe, space is collapsing, time is bending,
and reality is tearing itself apart. Yet humanity continues to observe, question, and explore. We are creatures made of stardust, trying to understand the darkest places of existence. And that endless curiosity is what makes the universe and us extraordinary.